What's up, my bougie babes? Welcome to my channel. My name is Bougie Bobby and you've come into the life of me. Today we are doing a luxury unboxing of a couple new bags that I picked up and a new pair of shoes. I've been dying to do this review and this opening for a couple days now. I've had these bags sitting here just dying to open them, so without further ado, let's begin. The first bag that we're gonna do is a Christian Louboutin Paloma bag in medium. It is such a gorgeous bag. I picked this up the other day at Neiman Marcus. The box that it comes in is just a hard shell, big box. Just the craftsmanship in the box alone and the presentation is just beautiful. So I got this from Neiman Marcus and I walked in to go actually get a Chanel bag. And when I saw this, I just had to have it. It was gorgeous. Let's see what you guys think. So here's one side of it. The other is suede. That's where I fell in love with it. So the half suede on one side. It's got your studs, your metal studs. They're silver. The red accenting, the red interior. That bag is just beautiful. You have an adjustable strap. Goes on the inside right here. So it clips onto the inside. And I'm a tall guy. I am 6 foot. So let's see if I make this a little bit longer, what it looks like. How it sits. It's beautiful. It's a showstopper, definitely. It's really cool because you can see it has like the stiletto heel right there and then the iconic red bottom shoe. This bag, I would say, can hold a good amount of things. It wouldn't be like an everyday bag, I think, but it can definitely be used as whatever you want. But wherever you go, just be prepared for people to stop you. This bag retails for $25.50, and it is worth every single penny because it is just literally beautiful. The next bag we're gonna open is one that I've been wanting for years, and I finally just was like, I have to have it. It's a Chanel, as you can tell, and I am dying to open this, so let's see together what it is. You can see Chanel has a great presentation. They have to wrap the bag a certain way. The Chanels line up, the flower, the iconic flower. So I've been wanting this bag for years, and I was like, should I not? I just didn't know, should I spend this much money on a bag? And I was like, you know what, let's just do it. My birthday's coming up. Enjoy your life, spend your money. So let's see what this bag looks like together. Dun, 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 dun. It's still wrapped, it's got a Chanel tissue paper. It's got your care instructions, your Chanel care instructions. It's wrapped gorgeously. And dun, 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 dun. Here's my Chanel boy bag in jumbo. It's in the caviar leather, and it's got the gray, dark accents. This is a bag that I've been just dying for and wanting, and I finally have it. I would say it's a pretty durable bag. This bag retails for $5,700. I would carry this probably every day. I could make this my everyday bag just because it's black and you can take it everywhere. There's a cute little strap, you can put your keys on it so you don't lose it. It's got a little cell phone slot in there, but overall, what do you guys think of this bag? Do you guys think I can make this my everyday bag, or what do you guys suggest? This is a bag that I've been dying to get, and I finally have it. It's my new baby. So the final thing we're opening today is the Gucci pair of shoes I just bought. I've been seeing these everywhere, and I thought they looked weird in the beginning, but then I was like, you know what? It grew on me. I was like, I have to have it. So these are my new Gucci Prince Down shoes. If I can open it. Gucci likes to make it so you can't actually open the bag and the box. They tie it tight. But here is how it is, the box. It's a nice cute shoe box with a Gucci on top. You have your care instructions in the box, So they come wrapped with studs. Cute. What do you guys think? I believe these are $650. So they're actually not too bad. They're probably gonna be my new everyday shoe. And what do you think? I can probably wear it with this, even though it's gold, but I think you can mix the metals because it's not that bad. They're kind of both like brushed, I would say. They're not like pure metal, but they're both cute. So yeah, that is my luxury unboxing for today. This is my first video, so I'm still getting my hands on how to do this, so we'll see how it works. But if you liked my video today, you can click like, subscribe to my channel at Bougie Bobby. You can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat at Bougie Bobby. I'll be doing weekly updates on my videos, vlogs, day-to-day life, hauls. Hopefully you guys enjoy my content. Thank you for clicking on my video today. And remember guys, always stay bougie.